friends, and welcome back to another interesting video. So in today's video I would love to take you along as I prepare lunch on a Sunday for my family. So we are going to be eating goat's meat, and then we'll be having some sweet potatoes as well with everything else that I'm going to be showing you. But for now, let's first defrost our meat. So this here is the goat's meat, and I'm going to be putting it in the water so that it can defrost. Thanks to one of you who shared this hack with me. I love it when you share hacks for me to also try out, and it has really helped me. So these are the sweet potatoes that we are going to be cooking. So we are going to be steaming them in our banana leaves. So let's start with peeling them, and then as I take you along on how I'm going to be doing everything. Meanwhile, if this is your first time on this channel, you are welcome. Thank you so much for passing by. Kindly subscribe and join the family. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you too for always coming back to watch our videos. We truly appreciate. And let me take you along as I prepare lunch on a Sunday for my family. After peeling our sweet potatoes, I had to wash them and then chop them into servable pieces. So after that, I'm going to be creating base for where we are going to be putting the banana leaves. So this is how I am going to be doing it. I put the base down and then put a banana leaf on top, and then be able to put all our sweet potatoes in, as I'm showing you here. So right now, I am just going to be putting it on the stove, and then meanwhile, while it boils, we're going to be making some juice. So we're going to be making passion, mango, and some carrots as our juice. So here I am blending it, and then after blending, I'm going to be sieving out the residues so that we can remain with the juice. Guys, my boys actually love mango juice so much, so I'm glad that I get to do this for my family. So these right here are the residues, and the juice is always amazing. You can try it as well, and I'm sure your family will love it. So this is our juice. I am going to be putting it in the fridge bottles. So these are our fridge bottles. I love them so much. I love how easy they are to store, like our juice or milk in the fridge. Like, I really hate the spills that happen in the fridge, but these bottles here make it so easy for me to be able to store my things in the fridge. So I'll be putting it in the bottles, the juice, and then I put it in the fridge so that it can get that coldness, freshness, before we actually serve it for food. So this is how our bottles look like in the fridge. And then after that, I'm going to be chopping some of our ingredients that we are going to be using to cook our goat's meat. I am done with chopping, and this is how it all looks like. But when I was chopping the meat, I found something interesting. So this here, I found it in the meat, and I think it's the heart. Let me know, guys, how do they call this? Is it a heart? Is it the liver of the goat? I'm wondering, because it was like this. I found it like this with that white layer on top. Yeah, so I'm curious. So I'm going to be cooking it so that we test out how it is. And this is the layer I removed on the other part. This is how the layer looks like. It is looking like a cavera, a polythene, yeah? So, yeah, this is all together. Let me know how you call this. If you've ever come across it, let me know how you call this. Yeah, it is looking like a liver, like a heart, but I don't know. Yeah, so this is the meat on the fire. I left it to boil for some time and then added in onions. So I'm going to be covering it once more so that it can boil some more before I add in the other ingredients. And meanwhile, this is our food as well. It is boiling so well. You have to keep checking on what you're cooking so that it doesn't burn. Yeah, and that's what I'm doing at the moment. So I'm going to be adding in the other ingredients. As you can see, the tomatoes and the carrots. And then for the green peppers, I'll be adding them last. Yeah, that is salt. So I'll also be adding in the Royco cubes for the seasoning, and then I'll be also using the Royco juice mix. These are just the spices I'm going to be adding, but you can put in any of your choice. Yeah, so this is the part where I'm also going to be adding in the green peppers, the bell peppers. Yeah, and cover it and leave it to boil to completion. So here our food is ready, guys. Hey, the sweet potatoes are ready, and yeah, the aroma is just so amazing. Like, I don't know what is the magic in the banana leaves, but every food I cook in the banana leaves, guys, it always smells so amazing. Yeah, every food I actually steam, not only the matoke, but every food you steam using the banana leaves always smells so nice. Yeah, so this is how the sweet potatoes look like. I'm surprised these ones are white inside, but yeah, they smell so good, and I can't wait to dive in with all the others. So here everything is ready, and it's time to put the food on our plate. It's the plating time, so let's serve the food. I also cooked some greens on the sides. So this one, we call it booga in Uganda. I don't know how you call it in your language. Let me know how you call booga in your language. Yeah, so they are the red greens. Correct me if I'm wrong. And then adding our meat as well on the sides. It is smelling so amazing. By this time, like, I'm really excited, and I can't wait to dive into what I have cooked. But from how it looks like, you start eating with your eyes. From how it looks like, I know it's going to be amazing. Yeah, so this is how our plate looks like, guys. Let's first eat using our eyes. Yeah, that's it, guys. Like, yeah, well done to me, well done. I love how the portions are all balancing the proteins, the grains. Like really, this era of my life, I feel like I'm cooking even better. You know, the more you grow, the more you learn how to do things better. So I am applauding myself for cooking such a healthy, delicious meal, guys. Look at that. Yeah. So I'm glad the rest of my family is going to enjoy this as well. So that is it, guys. That is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section, have you ever tried this kind of meal? Are you going to do it for your family as well? Yeah, so I couldn't wait to also serve juice that was going to go with our meal. And that is it, guys. Cheers to all of you. Thank you for watching till this time, and I will see you all in the next video.